Hey, what is up guys, this is Ayaz and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to edit purple sunset look using Lightroom mobile. So just before we start, subscribe if you haven't yet, also ring the bell icon and let's get started. So first go to light panel and then bring down the highlight all the way down and leave the exposure and contrast to 0. Can bring up the shadow to 72, whites to negative 73, and bring up the blacks to 37. Now go to color and then bring down the temperature to -6, leave the tint to 0 and increase the vibrance to 38 and decrease the saturation to 19. Okay, now go to effect and then bring up the clarity to 10 as well dehaze to 10. Now go to light and then curve. So here I will create a simple scarp. So bring down the shadow, lift up the black and bring up the midpoint as you can see, and a scarp. Click on done and go to color and then mix. Okay. Bring down the hue of red to -12 and leave the saturation and luminance to 0. Now select orange and bring down the hue to -20. Also bring down the saturation to -15 and bring up the luminance to 24. Now select yellow and then bring down the hue all the way down, saturation to -12 and luminance to 0. Now select green and bring down the hue all the way down, also saturation to -38 and luminance to 0. Now go to aqua and then bring up the hue to 39, saturation to -35 and luminance to 0. Select blue, then bring down the hue to -22, saturation to -12 and luminance to -15. Select purple, then bring up the hue to 48, bring down the saturation to -29 and luminance to 20. Now select magenta, then bring up the hue to 26, saturation to 18 and luminance to 21. Now click on done and then go to effect and then split tone. Okay, now set the hue of highlight to 28 and saturation to 9. And shadow hue to 221 and saturation 12. And bring down the balance to -32. Now click on done and go to detail and then bring up the noise reduction to 9 and color noise reduction to 28. And we are done. Here's the before and the after. I'm gonna copy the settings and paste it on some photos. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then give a thumbs up, and the preset link is in the description down below, and you will find both version of the preset, the DNG as well the XMP. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.